Owning a car or buying a car can be quite expensive, but Save Club's got your back with our savings. Let's show you some. So here's a select automotive savings like budget brakes where you can get 11% off all services. Brakes usually run anywhere from $400 to $900. 11% could be significant saving. Here's a Madison Paint and Body. There's all kinds of deals like this depending on your zip code. They're willing to give you 50% off the bill for auto body, painting, etc. That could be a huge discount right there. Let's look at tires. All cars eventually need tires. How you get 10% off Goodyear or Expert Tires giving you cost on tires plus 10% on Bridgestone and Firestone brands. Let alone 15% all services because they do maintenance on cars as well. Same with Firestone, cost plus 10% or 15% off services. Firestone also has a complete repair shop. So if your car ever breaks down, that could be hundreds, if not thousands. Having 15% off back in your pocket would be nice. Big savings car insurance here. Literally will shop all the car insurance companies at one time. We've seen people save anywhere from a few $100s to over $1,000 a year off their car insurance. Oil changes. If you have a car, you got to have to change the oil at some point, so why pay retail? Take 5 gives you $20 off. Valvoline is doing $10 off. Jiffy Lube's 15% off. And if you go to buy a car, it could be pretty expensive, but how about not having to haggle and get the ultimate deal like Hyundai up to $36.75 off, Toyota up to $25.90 off, Dodge up to $43.88 off, GMC $28.30 off, Chevy $31.73, Nissan $39.46. This is thousands and thousands of dollars in savings just for having a Save Club membership for only $20 a month. And we even haven't scratched the surface. There is so much more in the automotive world inside the Savings Club. So go ahead and get started today.